You can help yourself to a Mountain Dew.
Thanks.
My treat. Your pick. Life is short. There's an irony for you. What's that?
I said when I was a kid, that was a seafood restaurant.
Oh yeah?
Nothing going on in there anymore. That window's pretty much shot.
Maybe that dude's the insurance adjuster. Who knows? I think he's got an agenda behind his videos there. Yeah, I have no knowledge about the history of this place. I think I've only been here twice in my life. Look at all them pigeons up there. They're happy as hell. They're like, finally, it's all ours. We get to roost where we want. It's got a pretty big parking garage, really. And you see, like, it's already up in there, like up in that overhead thing. It's already coming apart. Yeah. Unfortunately, these places, you know, the money runs out before they close, and so even if somebody, you know, if somebody could have come in years ago and saved it, theoretically, like if they had the money, then they could have kept up the maintenance properly, but they let it go and then go under. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's always like, even if you were to buy this, it's already in bad shape at the end of the day.
Just having a weird sort of memory flash thing on seeing vivid images of me coming out to my mom waiting in the car. You know.
This is kind of a very retro looking logo here, this Hollywood Theaters. Hi.
Saying goodbye too.
Well, I guess that's about the extent of it. Dude, there's a bunch of people here videoing. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the news. That's the newscast. See, I just want to run up and be like, what's up? That's always newsworthy, right? It's the last carjacking yesterday.